If you've never put bacon in homemade mayo, you're missing one of the best burger sauces ever made.
I'm Johnny Mac, and this is the Sauce and Gravy channel.
In this recipe, I'm going to quickly show you how to make a bacon jalapeno mayonnaise. Start off with a touch of prep work.
For this recipe, use 1 to 2 jalapeno peppers.
If you don't like it super spicy, remove the white membrane and seeds. Give it all a quick rough chop.
Round up 1 clove of garlic, smash it and peel it.
This homemade mayonnaise recipe is way better than store-bought. It's fresher, creamier, and lets you customize every bite. And lastly, chop up 2 to 3 slices of bacon into bite-sized pieces.
For this recipe, you can use a food processor, a blender, or an immersion blender. Add 1 pasteurized egg.
I'm using pasteurized eggs in this recipe. The Sauce Boss printable recipe includes step-by-step instructions for pasteurizing an egg plus the complete recipe. Click the join button to learn more.
Add most of the peppers, but keep a few so you can chop them up nice and fine and add it to the mayonnaise in the end.
And you know, for me, fresh jalapenos beats hot sauce for this mayo recipe. They add real pepper flavor and a cleaner heat than bottled hot sauce.
Add 2 to 3 slices of bacon that have been chopped up nice and fine. Keep a little bit for the end.
You can use bacon bits, however, real crispy bacon adds texture and a smoky flavor that bacon bits just can't match.
Add your 1 garlic clove, 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of Dijon mustard.
Dijon mustard doesn't just add tang, it also helps keep the mayo emulsified.
Half of a teaspoon of salt, that's about 3 grams. 1/4 of a teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper, that's about 0.5 grams. 2 teaspoons or 10 milliliters of freshly squeezed lemon juice.
A little acid brightens the richness and keeps the mayo from tasting heavy.
Puree all of the ingredients by giving it a quick blitz. Once it's well mixed, you can start adding 1/4 of a cup or 63 milliliters of bacon grease that has been cooled.
For this spicy mayo recipe, bacon fat adds a smooth richness you simply can't get from regular oil alone.
Next, you'll add 1/2 cup or 125 milliliters of a neutral oil of your choice.
When making mayo from scratch, slowly adding the oil is what creates that thick, creamy texture. Whenever all of the oil has been blended in, you can slowly work that immersion blender up and down. Keep blending it until the jalapeno bacon mayo is nice and thick.
Cover it, put it into the fridge for about 10 to 15 minutes to let it marry those flavors.
By putting this homemade mayonnaise into the fridge, it also really helps it to set and thicken up. After 15 to 20 minutes, this homemade bacon jalapeno mayo is rich, creamy, smoky, and has just the right amount of spice.
You can either keep it smooth like this, or you can add some bacon bits and some chopped up jalapenos to the top.
This easy burger sauce is perfect for hamburgers, obviously, sandwiches, wraps, fries, grilled chicken, and so much more.
Give it a little taste. Oh yeah. Has a little bit of savoriness, spiciness. Woo! You're gonna love this. Oh, the ultimate burger sauce.
So that's how you make a homemade bacon jalapeno mayo, all from scratch. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Until next time, remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.